Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS LTD deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review Vend email. When you are purchasing a lifetime deal or when you are simply buying a subscription of a SaaS software or any tools, sometimes there are not enough emails on your disposals, and with Gmails you can only create a handful amount of emails. So this can be a problem because no matter what type of software you're buying, you are always going to be needing an email. And also some tools, some SaaS software do not allow you to change the initial email that you add to your account. So Vend email solves both of these problems very effectively. First of all, it is going to let you create a lot of emails that you can use to create various accounts for SaaS software or any other tools. And on the other hand, you can also sell all of the emails that you create using Vend email. So for example, you have bought a lifetime deal or you have bought a subscription or a tool with the email that you have got from Vend email, and now you want to sell that software, and suppose that software does not allow you to change emails. But the good news is you can sell the software as well as the email. So this is going to solve a lot of problems regarding these email problems. And if you want to buy Vend email, this is the best time to do so because it is available on a lifetime deal. Let me show you that page. Okay, so here is the lifetime deal page, and as you can see, the founder of Vend email is 𝗗𝗽𝗽𝘀. He already has good reputation because he's the one who has created paste email. So you can obviously trust Vend email. And these are 4 tiers on lifetime deals that you can buy. The tier 1 is going to cost you $79, where you can create 500 emails. If you want to sell your emails, you have to give 3% sales commission to Vend email on this tier. But if you need unlimited emails as well as no sales commission, you can opt for this tier 4, which costs $299. And the great news is on this Black Friday or Cyber Monday, you can use this coupon code to get 20% off on the checkout. So if you want to buy Vend email on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. So after you log into Vend email, you are going to get this dashboard, and it is a super simple user interface, super easy to use. So in order to create a new email, all you have to do is click on this new forwarder, and now you have to choose the email name on here. For example, let's select. So for example, this is going to be my email. You can also change the domain. There are various domains and a lot of more domains are incoming. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, and you can also generate an anonymous alias if you want. Then you have to provide the name. And then a very important section is this recipient. So where this email is going to arrive, you have to provide that on here. Okay, so this is going to be my recipient, which means on this particular email, all of the emails are going to be forwarded from this email. And then you can also here mention some tags. So for example, this email is particularly for, it could be for web video. So I'm going to mention that on this tag section. This way I can remember what is the purpose of this email. And then there are some transfer settings. So you can provide a descriptive title, a description, supporting details, and price. So this title, this description, this information is going to be available on the transfer page, which means once you want to transfer this particular email that I'm creating, once I'm going to transfer it to someone else, so they are going to see that info, this title info and description info on the transfer page. You can also give some supporting details. So these details are sent to buyers after a successful sale or transfer. And if you want to sell it for a price, you can also mention the price on this box. And keep in mind, in order to sell your email, you have to first connect your Stripe account, and then you can start selling with a price. So I think I have provided enough information. Now let's click on save. Okay, so my email has been created. As you can see, here is my email, and I can also edit the existing info. For example, I can edit the sender name, the recipient. I can also edit these tags and all the transfer settings. And if I sell this particular email to someone else, he will also get access to all of these details. So he can change the name, the recipient, tags, and all of these settings. And there are also some statistics, so the number of emails that have been forwarded and also the number of emails that have been blocked. And now you might ask how to transfer or sell your email account or give access to your email account to someone else. Well, for that you have to first unlock this transfer page, and by default it is locked because for safety reasons. So I'm going to unlock it. And now here is the link, the transfer page link. So this is exactly the link that you want to send to the person that want to buy your email. And you can also get a preview of this transfer page. So let's see. So this is exactly what the transfer page is going to look like. As you can see, here is the ownership transfer. So the person you are selling the email to, he has to accept and continue in order to get this email. And he must have a Vend email account already in order to purchase any emails that are created using Vend email. So exactly this way you can transfer or sell your email account for a price, or also you can even sell it for free if you want. All you need is this transfer page link, and you must unlock this page before you start to sell or give access to this email to someone else. So I'm going to now lock it. And the best part is the email that I just created using Vend email, this one, I can even compose emails and send emails from this account. So all I have to do is click on compose. And as you can see, now I can send emails from this account, the email that I just created using Vend email. So all I have to do is provide where I want to send it, the subject, and also the description or the body of email. So overall, I think Vend email is a very interesting concept, and with Vend email, you are never going to run out of email accounts. You will always have an account that you can use to create a new account on any SaaS software or any other tools. And the best part is, if that particular tool does not allow you to change the email, you can simply sell that email to the person that you want to sell that software or tool. And this is the best time to purchase this product because it is available on lifetime deal. So these are some of the tiers that you can buy from this website. And if you want to buy it right now, make sure you check the link in the description below. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.